What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing the unboxing or the opening up of VHS Hurricane National Blue Sponge, 39 degrees. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Alright, what does that say there? Remove this, I'm reading it backwards. Remove this cover label to verify authenticity. Anyway, yeah, let's check it out. See what we got. As I said before, I'm going to be using it on the Butterfly Falcino blade. Just because my Viscaria is already set up pretty nice with Tenergy 05 and 05 hard. It's just a little too fast for me at the moment, but that doesn't mean I don't want to stop using it. So I'm just going to take off the faint long pibs. I'm going to take off the Rosanna, maybe. And I'm going to throw on the National Blue Sponge where the Rosanna is. And then I have Rosca 7 coming today. I'm going to throw that where the red is. And that'll be that. Excuse me. So here we go for the opening. Here we go. Excuse Lola, she's thirsty. Just came back from a walk. Right. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Upside down. One more time. Here it is. All right, guys. I can't wait. Smells good, feels good. I really don't want to take off the plastic yet to see how sticky it is, but from the reviews, oh yeah, I peeled off the corner. I don't know if you can hear it. Hold on one second. Lola, stop. Guys, make sure to pick up your balls because when you get the nice ones and your dog gets a hold of it, yeah. But anyway, I just peeled off the edge here and pretty sticky. Peel that back. But yeah, so I'm excited to use this. Once I set it up, I'll let you guys know.